Students, so today in this video we are going to talk about the shape tool. Fine. So in our photo studio, first I have to open the new file, then shapes. I want to save it by the name of say shapes, and instead of pixel today I'm going to take inch. So I would like to take inch of 3 by 3. I just want 3 by 3 inch, and then I say create. Fine. To make it zoom just like this. Now I want to change the background color. How to change the background color? Click here, new adjustment layer. On the down side, right side, you can see. Okay, right click, your left click, and color fill. You can choose the color of your choice. Okay, that color will come as a background of your layer. You can see there are two layers, one is background and one is color fill. Okay, and in the history it will come open and then new fill layer. So in history you can see whatever you are doing, it will come one by one, and if you want to undo, for example, I click on the open, it undo the action, and if I want this, just click here, it will come again. Now if I want to choose the shapes, so here you have to click, you can see the ellipse, sorry, right click over there, you can see the options are there. For example, I want to choose rectangle, so click here and drag here. So this is my rectangle. From here you can choose the color, what type of color you want, just click on the colors and then you can choose the color. It's very bright, it's okay. And then for the strokes also you can choose the color. Let's choose red color, and here it is the width of the border outline. For example, I want to make it 0.2, and then 9.5 is too much. 3.5 is okay. And from here I want, do you want line, dotted? You can see the downsides, and what type of corner you want. I want sharp. If you want circle type, you can choose I want sharp corners, so I'm choosing this. You can play with it, whatever you want you can choose. It is always asking me if you want to make it a rectangle by 100 and 100. No, I want a rectangle. Fine. If you want to put here some gradient, gradient, so for that also we have gradient fill option. You can choose one pattern from here, whatever you want. Then go to start. Yeah, here you can choose from the scale. Okay, let me put it downside. I want to move it, just click on the move tool and keep it down so that you can see the changes whatever you are doing. Go to the rectangle. Yes, want rectangle to the downside. Yeah, here, and I want to do the changes. No, I can't. So once I click on the move tool, it will come down. Let me make one more shape for you. Right click over here and I choose ellipse, and if you click on control and then drag it, you will get a perfect circle. Right? For example, this one I want to change it to the color of any type, for example blue, and for the strokes I choose red color, and we can change. I want line, and I want sharp corner, and from here we can adjust the width of the outline. Okay, so here you can see now it's not visible. I make it to 2.7 is okay, fine. So this is how we can create shapes. Okay, right click, and one is parametric shape, so click here, and like the same options are there, but one is this polygon. What do you want to make? Star, arrow, whatever. So just click here, and how many sides should be there? If you want 8, 10, 10 sides, so just come here, click and drag that star, that image will come. And from here also you can shape pixels whatever you want and fill in the color. Here in the star I want to fill yellow color, and for the strokes red, and it's okay, it is okay, and I want to choose the width is okay. And from here position inside, now you can see the position is inside, so how it is okay. And if you want to change you can do it. Now if I want to reshape, resize my any of the shape, how can I do it? For that I have to choose the layers. If I want to do change here in this, so I have to go and click on this layer, fine, then go to the edit tool and free transform, click on the move tool. Now you can move it, or you want to resize it, you can do it right now, fine. And this if I want to do changes in this shape, so first I have to go to that layer. Okay, fine, first I click here, then move tool, and then you can resize it. Got it? So this is how we can make the shapes, we can resize them. And here is the history. History means whatever we are doing, it will come here. For example, I don't want this move. Okay, it will come like this. Custom shapes. It will be like that. If you want it again, click here. Now here we have different layers. Fine. So why we make different layers? So that we can do the changes in the shapes wherever we want. Okay, where it is required. Now if I want to delete any layer, how to do it? Just click over there, and then you can see from downside option is there, uh, delete layer, fine. So you have to click on it, the layer will go. For example, for the shape 3 I click here, it's gone. Okay, if I click here again in the history, it will come. So this is how I can undo with the help of history. And here how we can delete the delete different layers, and how we can, for example, I want to put this shape on the top, so just click and drag. Okay, now shape 1 is my this layer, shape 1 layer is now here, the first one, and others are down. Okay, so this is called stack of the layers. And how we can delete it, how we can add the new one, from here right side we can do it. Fine, now enjoy with the shapes.